Kati Price fans were in hysterics during the second episode of her latest Channel 4 show after she made a cheeky slip-up. The 43-year-old has been renovating her Mucky Mansion and filming the process for the documentary, and viewers recently saw her visit a DIY shop with children Princess, 14, Jett, 8, and 7-year-old Bunny, 3. Kati shopped for paint with her children, 3. And made a hilarious slip-up when choosing paint. As they shopped, it wasn't long before former glamour model Kati was distracted by glitter paint. "Oh no," said Princess. "Once she starts, she doesn't stop with glitter." Kati said, "So today I'm gonna get paint for Princess's room. Deluxe, I don't know. When I say it, I don't know if it's like Durex." Fans immediately rushed to Twitter to comment on Kati's slip-up, with one writing, "Did Kati Price just refer to Deluxe paint as Durex? #Kati Price #Mucky Mansion." Another said, "Kati Price called Deluxe Durex? #Mucky Mansion." And a third added, "There's no denying how likable Kati Price is #Mucky Mansion." Kati later showed off the complete transformation of the Mucky Mansion, revealing it had finally become her happy home. Kicking back on the sofa, the former glamour model mused as to how the house had finally become her happy place after turning it upside down. The cameras panned round the home to show off the stunning living room setup, with plush pink and green velvet sofas overlooking the countryside views. Candles and mirrors had been carefully laid out as decoration to make the room appear light, bright and airy, with the fireplace cleared and ready for use. Sitting to review her handiwork, Kati told her mum and sister how she was pleased of what she had achieved in clearing the house. "The journey of this house hasn't just been about me, it's been about the journey of my kids, my mum, my sister," the star told the cameras. "I've put my touch on it, and so have my family. But this just goes to show you can turn things around, and I'm really proud of what I have achieved. This is my land and my house, now the house is coming back together like I'm coming back together," Kati continued. "In the past this place has been called the Mucky Mansion, but it's not that anymore, it's now my happy home." 3. She showed the transformation of her Mucky Mansion,